My name is Dr. Ellen Britt, and I help entrepreneurs leverage the power of intermittent fasting to transform their bodies, their businesses, and their lives. One main problem that my students and clients have when it comes to being an entrepreneur and getting and keeping weight off is thinking they have to take a lot of time to learn the latest new diet. They're so busy keeping their businesses going that they just don't have time to figure out complicated meal plans, count macros, measure portions, purchase ingredients, and more. After all, they are looking to simplify their lives, not complicate them. If you have experienced this too, you know just how it feels to get excited about yet another diet, only to find out you have to spend nearly every minute of the day prepping for it. Plus, no matter how much enthusiasm you had at the beginning, that soon fades, as the reality of what you have to do every day to maintain this diet sinks in. Plus, you miss the foods you really enjoy, and decide once again that this diet is not going to work for you. This is a disheartening, discouraging, and lonely spot to be in both your life and your business. You know if you looked better and felt better about yourself, your self-confidence would increase, and you could stop hiding out from all the opportunities that are there for you. Well, fortunately for you, there is another way. What if I were to tell you there is one simple way to eat and live that does not involve giving up your favorite foods, counting calories or macros, meal planning, weighing and measuring your food, purchasing expensive shakes and supplements, or any of those other things that are just a matter of course with all the other diets you have tried? A truly elegantly simple and uncomplicated way to eat and live that requires no calorie restriction or feeling guilty simply because you enjoyed a favorite food. A way that will not only transform your body, but a way that will completely change the way you show up for your business and for your life. Let me tell you a brief story from my own life that I think will be quite eye-opening for you. 6 months ago, I was desperate for relief. A combination of a terribly stressful, ongoing family situation plus menopause took its toll in the way of a nearly 40-pound weight gain. At 172 pounds, I felt and looked terrible. My energy was non-existent, and worst of all, I started to hide out in my business, even though I knew that wasn't good. This hiding out took the form of avoiding personal appearances, such as speaking or going to in-person networking events or conferences, finding convenient excuses not to be photographed, and even ducking video calls and insisting on doing everything by phone only. I had tried all the usual suspects when it came to diets, learning each system, recipes, meal plans, preparation, counting calories, measuring food, restricting the foods I most loved. And you know what? I did lose some weight each time. But each and every time, as soon as I deviated, even slightly from the system, the pounds came rushing back in along with more. I just got fatter and more discouraged. But then I found intermittent fasting. Take a look at my results. Here I am on the left. Even though there was a smile on my face, I was feeling miserable. I so didn't want to be in that photograph. And there I am on the right, taking a selfie in the dressing room of Target, where I had just tried on size 6 skinny jeans, and they fit. And yes, I did buy them. But best of all, in addition to the weight loss, my confidence in myself and my abilities has soared. I am at my goal weight of 133 pounds, and I will never go back. How do I have the confidence to make that statement when I have regained the weight from every other diet I have ever been on? It's simple, really, because IF is not a diet. It's a beautiful, simple, easy way to live and eat that is sustainable for the rest of my life. I am free from food controlling my life and business, as I am the one in control now. So if you are in that place of discouragement where you think a diet of some sort will control your time forever, then I want to give you a gift, the gift of true hope. Wherever you are on your journey, intermittent fasting is waiting for you, and you are just one fast away from changing your life and your business for the better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you happen to know of anyone else who would benefit from watching this, please feel free to share it with them. Till next time, and I will see you very soon.